Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are back and we are heading to a little early Saturday morning car meet. We're going to meet up with a bunch of people at a little meetup spot. Well, I say a bunch, but I actually don't really truly know. And we're going to go meet up with them down the street a little bit, cruise to this Mustang, like cars and coffee, something style event. Get those E85 startups rolling. About to have to switch over to 93 so I can get ready for Mustang week. I probably got one, maybe two more tanks of E left before I got to switch. Since I don't drive that much. I'm at 102 miles till E. I'll probably have to fill up tomorrow, and then next weekend or whenever I run out of gas on that, it'd be fill up with 93. So we got carried away at the meet talking to people. I'm doing my own video. You're irrelevant. Stay on over there. But I didn't talk to anybody. Well, I got too busy talking to people at the meet and never bothered to film the actual meet. But there were some cool cars. We're back at Derek's house. He took the Shelby to the meet. We met up with Brandon. Brandon came back to Derek's house, and we're just kind of hanging out, chilling. This video is probably gonna be like just one video for the entire weekend. I know tomorrow I'm going to the NASCAR race in Richmond, so you all see the content from that with everybody that I'm hanging out with there. Yeah, we're at the house chilling. Don't really know what the plans are. We're kind of going into this weekend with no plans. I ran out of parts to put on Minion. I do have a couple. Morimoto did send me a couple more lights to put in around the vehicle, but I'm not home. They haven't been dropped off yet. We do got the S650 GT500 right here with the Fobra right here. Look at these tires, man. Man's got them slicks on there. Back here, it's a skate rink. This thing is pretty cool. I mean, I guess it's cool. It is hot as crap in here, though. There's no tint on this car at all. You got the glass roof, which is an extremely rare option. My mom's car does have the glass roof. I love how they did the seats to kind of match the car itself. Bro, look, harass this man. He's already got trash and stuff all in the car.
We're about to actually
then
sit in a C601.
Got my New Year's, and I'm having a couple little issues.
Definitely don't
But
drive that one very often.
No, well,
I'm having a little bit of an issue with the Euros. The sequential yellow keeps not working, so I have to do it in a different mode. So I'm trying to work with that with the company. If not, we'll just switch back to the old ones. Bozo's got no window tint. I can see right through both of them. We got Ben. We're going to get some Chick-fil-A, and then I'm gonna head over to a friend's house for a little pool party thing. All right, boys, so we're at my friend's house now for his little birthday. We got his parents' Bronco right here. Looks pretty fire. Then we got his Subaru. And then Minion's out here looking all right. And then the rest of the guys and girls aren't car people, so they all kind of stink. But we out here, Minion looks kind of fire into this tree with the sun coming through there. But that's gonna wrap up today's portion. Catch y'all here in a second for tomorrow. All right, boys, so I'm driving at night for the first time since putting the headlights in, and they are extra bright. I can see pretty good distance. Let me turn on the high beams for you, and look at that. These Morimoto lights are crazy. I did have to make a little bit of an adjustment to them because they came kind of looking at towards the ground, so I had to adjust them just a little bit to bring the height of them up. But I don't think I did it too much. I think we did it just enough. If I start getting flashed for blinding people, then I might have to bring them down a little bit. But I think they're perfect. Going through these backcountry roads, I can literally see everything, especially with the tinted windows. I can still see fine out in front of me. I'm kind of holding the middle lane right now just because it's country road and deer and everything, but high beams off, high beams on. You can literally see everything with the high beams on the back roads. So I'm very happy and pleased with the brightness and what they're looking like right now. Yo, what is everybody? It is Sunday. It is race day here in RVA. We are about to head to the track. I'm about to go over to Cameron's house, which, if you remember from the Florida vlogs, it's Cameron, Casey, Raymond, Evan. There's a couple others that are coming with us to the race. It's going to be hype. I'm trying to make this vlog like it's a whole weekend vlog because there wasn't too much planned this weekend. So it's a vlog going from Saturday to Sunday and then the rest of the whole week. So I'll have a video. This video will be out. I'm going to try and film throughout this week with Derek to make a second video. If you do see a second video, that'll be what it is. If not, then I wasn't able to get my videos out this week. But yeah, let's go ahead and hop in Minion. I think we need to go get some gas before we head over there. We're a little low on E. But, you know, you always gotta... Oh, baby. Also, we are now selling these on the site at American Muscle. So, if you want to cop a set of the Morimoto lights, give me a call. All right, boys. Out here at the racetrack with the gang. Got some cars out here, you know, about to walk into the NASCAR experience and see what's rolling. You got the tailgating out here going crazy. It's gonna be a great night. And we're in.
Database.
All right, so we're out here, the main fan zone, chilling. Got the Nitro Cross tent. Nitro Cross actually reached out to me through email and Instagram about coming out to their event as VIP back here in September. So might come out here to watch these guys shred. This car is definitely interesting. Watch them take some jumps. Making our way to the infield pre-race. We out here for driver intros. There's Kyle Busch.
Gateway, and the number 22, Joey Logano! Now for this one. He's starting from the outside wall, your 2017 Cup Series champion. That's going to hang it up after this year. And the number 19, FTJ Mark Jr.
All right. We are now out on the grid. Making our first round of the pit stop. crash in turn 1. He sent it in there way too hard. We're going green. Green, 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 overtime at Richmond. Let's go, Joey! Let's go! Come on, Joey. Come on, Joey. Get her done. Let's do this. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Brother!
Thank you.
Yeah, I
Way out front. Just help him over there.
I never won.
20 is going right straight toward the hall over there, the brass boat shop. Then they're gonna back up. Listen here when they go.
That's the wrong way.
This is the guy that won Daytona. Was this? Yeah. Kyle Busch. Daniel Suarez. Chris Buescher. And last but not least, this beat up 11 car. All right, boys. Hope you can see me pretty well. Just got home from the race. It was a pretty fun time. The ending was absolutely chaotic, as y'all just saw. But hope y'all enjoyed this video from the weekend. Take a look. Again, you guys just gotta admire it. Just take a look and admire that. So pretty, so pretty. If you want to buy a set, make sure you come check me out at American Muscle, and I'll get y'all a set of those lights. You won't regret it, I'll tell you that. Hope you all enjoyed the weekend video. Have a good one. Stay safe out there, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.